Okay, may gabiliwat. Hari naman ang Family Basa Vlog to kagari ang mag-forever. Sige, lawagon ko ang inyong ano ha. Lawagon ko ang sakay si Chakoteng. Kung naglawag ko, Coke, si Chakoteng Coke, si Chugalo, Red Horse, si Tatay Tanduay, si Richard Royal. Okay. Tanduay, Royal, Red Horse, Coke. Okay, dasigon ta. Sige. Dasigon. Sige. Royal, Coke, Tanduay, Red Horse, Tanduay, Coke. Oh, Richard, sala out. Sunod, tatlo na lang kamo. Tanduay, Red Horse, Coke, Red Horse, Tanduay, Red Horse, Coke, Red Horse, Tanduay, Red Horse, Coke, Red Horse, Tanduay, Coke, Red Horse, Tanduay, Red Horse, Tanduay, Coke. Okay, dasek. Coke, Tanduay, Red Horse, Coke, Red Horse. Sige. Tanduay, Red Horse, Coke, Tanduay, Red Horse, Red Horse, Coke, Red Horse, Tanduay. Sino to ka? Sige, ayun, dasigan ninyo. Tanduay, Red Horse, Coke, Red Horse. Why? Red Horse, Coke, Tanduay, Red Horse, Tanduay. Chugalo out. Tanduay, Red Horse. Ay, sorry, nang Coke, Tanduay, Coke, Coke. Tatay, perde.